Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. So we need to find the total area of y equal to 2 sine x with the square root of 1 plus cosine x. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to set up the integration. So we have A that is about the area equals to the integration. We see that this is from 0 to b. So that should be about from 0 to b. We know that this one is about positive. So we don't need to put the negative sign here. And I will put this one gone here. Next, we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to the square root of 1 plus cosine x. Next, we put the square for the both sides to cancel about the square root. So we have 1 plus cosine x. Next, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. First, the derivative of u square, we have 2u du. First, the derivative of number 1, we have 0 in here. First, the derivative of cosine x, we have negative sine x ds. Next, I will put the negative sign here. And we have negative number 2u du equals to sine x ds. Next, we need to change the bounds. So, when x equals to number 0, so I will put number 0 gone here. And 1 plus cosine of number 0 under the square root. So we have u equals to the square root of number 2 when s equals to b. That's it from here. So I will put b gone here, and you got about u equals to the square root of number 0. So you got about 0. Now we need to change this one. Number 0 in here, we change by u equals to the square root of number 2 when s equals to b. That's it in here. So we need to change u by 0 sine s and ds. We need to change negative number 2u du. About the square root 1 plus cosine x, we need to change by u. So negative number 2 and number 2, we have negative number 4. U and u, we have u square. The integration of u square, we have u to the power of 3 over 3. And I will put the bounds from the square root of number 2 to number 0. And now we have the final answer. So we calculate about this one. So we have 8 with the square root of number 2 over 3. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.